This video will document how to set up the G54 work offset on the Haas Super Mini Mill 2 using the Reneshaw probing system. The first thing you need to do is to call up the probe on your machine. On this particular machine, our probe is located in tool number 25. We come over to the control and we press the MDI key. Call up tool 25 by pressing T25 and use the ATC forward or ATC reverse button. This will put the probing tool into the spindle, which now we can jog down to the job to set up the G54. To set the probe, jog the probe to the centre of the workpiece. Press hand jog and press the axis you wish to jog in. Here we'll jog down a little bit first in the Z. Pay careful attention not to drive the probe into the job. Jog down at a satisfactory rate, remembering do not crash it, within about 10 millimetres of the workpiece. In this video we'll set the G54 to the centre position. So we need to jog it roughly in the centre of the workpiece, in the X and in the Y position. Maybe down a little bit more in the Z. Okay. Come over to the Haas controller and press the offset key, which is shown in the display screen area. This will bring us up into the Work Zero offset page, and make sure you select the G54 or G55, whichever work offset you want to select, from 54 to 59 here. We're going to do, there are more than that, but we're just worried about G54 here today. We're going to arrow across and get into the Reneshaw probing system. What we're going to do here is select rectangular block centerpiece, which is number 4. We press number 4 and enter. In the G54 now, in the highlighted area, it says rectangular block. Arrow over one more time and type in the approximate values of your workpiece. That aluminium block I have in the mill vise at the moment is 50 by 50, just for this demonstration. Incremental Z is how far do you want the probe to come down. We're up there about 10 at the moment. We might go 15 and see how we go with that. Alrighty. If we read the prompts now, we can press cycle start to run the probe. Make sure you shut the door, and we'll put the camera inside and give you a better look. G54 work offset is now set to the centre of the rectangular block. What we need to do now is set the work offset in the Z. So once again, scroll over on our G54 in our rectangular block and back up to here. We're going to select single surface, which is number 11. And it's confirmed here. Which axis do you want to probe? We want to probe the Z. Arrow across, scroll down to Z, and if we look at our height, we need to go -10. Remember, negatives towards the bed. If you type in a positive number, the probe will go up and it won't work. So we'll type in -10. Okay, back up here, 0, decimal, right enter. Confirm that it went in here. You can read the prompt now. Remember, always read the prompts in the Haas controller. Press cycle start to run probe or press insert to copy paste. Press cycle start and we will now probe the Z, single surface only. And there we have it. How easy is that? Once the G54 code offset has been set, we can put the probing tool away, come over to your machine, look for an empty pocket. The Haas software will automatically record which pocket it goes into to call it up. These pocket numbers have absolutely no reference to tooling numbers. So we can put it in there, the controller knows which tool is where at all times. So for argument's sake, number 15 is free. come over to the Haas controller, press MDI key, type in P15, ATC forward or reverse, any either one of those. The Z will lift up. And there we have it, tools away, and we're ready to continue on with our work.